What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video of the 91 Mustang here. I haven't done any updates on the car since it was painted, but as you can see it's painted now. And yeah, basically ready to cruise and enjoy. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about this underglow kit for cars and trucks. So I bought this kit on Amazon. I read some reviews and it seems like a pretty good kit. So there are like 4 LED strips in this kit. 2 goes under the sides of the car, and there's 1 in the front of the car and 1 in the back. And yeah, I mean, feels like I'm 15 years old trying stuff like this, but I think it's just a fun thing, you know. I don't care what anybody thinks, you know. For me, these cars are, you know, like toys that you have fun with. You build them and you cruise them, and you know, yeah. So this is just a fun thing, you know. Cruising the boulevards at night, it could be pretty cool, I think. So that's why I wanted to try. And if I get bored and don't wanna use them, just shut them off, and you know, nobody will ever know. So, but yeah, so I already done the installation on the car, which was pretty easy on this car, because this car has the GT body kit, and as you can see, there are some plastic clips that holds the body kit in place, and some screws, and the holes for the body kit were perfect to put some straps. So there are some double adhesive tape on these LED stripes, like the LED lights, but I wanted to secure them a bit more, so I put straps, you know, between the LED lights and onto the body kit of the Mustang, which you can see there are some holes here, there. So some holes I wasn't able to get the straps through, but most holes worked good. So so this kit came with some stuff. See, some instructions. There you can see the lengths of the LED stripes. Installation was pretty easy. Came with this stuff, which can be in handy. These like clips to hold the LED stripes with screws, which were pretty good. And you got these straps, which were I thought they were kind of thin, and so I used my own, some clear ones, so I don't get any, you know, maybe the light will shine through the clear ones. So that's what I was thinking anyway. So yeah, so installation was pretty easy, pretty straightforward. You just lay them out first on the ground to see which was going where, and then I basically, you know, this was one of the harder areas around the rear axle. I chose to go under the rear axle, as you can see, with the cable, and then it goes up. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. Then it goes up there to this. That's like a small shock. So I strapped it to that one in this plastic cover, because since it's around the wheel, I don't, you know, it can get pretty messy. So I chose to do it that way, and then basically, yeah, drew it all the way back. Hold on. And then I used these. I didn't want to drill in the body kit, so I put some epoxy glue on these. I cut them and I glued them on and clamped them. And I put a strap there and a strap there, and there's adhesive tape on the upper side of this LED strip, so I don't think it's going anywhere, you know. Double epoxy glued clamps there, so that's how I did it in the back. Let me show you. Yeah, here you can see where the wire is going. Just put some straps so hold it so it doesn't, you know, go anywhere. So, and as you can see, it's right above the edge of the body kit in the rear. So I think that'll work pretty good. I'm gonna show you. So hold on. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you this side as well. Same stuff here, as you can see. I put a clamp there, which I screwed onto the screw for the body kit. Put some straps here, there, all the way back. So it's, you know, I don't, even though I cleaned the body kit underneath with brake clean and some anti-grease for having the adhesive tape to stick, but you know, you never know. So I just wanted to make sure that it stays on, so I used the straps, strapped it onto the body kit. So, and the wiring here in the front, oh sorry, it's kind of dark here, maybe I can take this light, we'll see. So here's this is the control box for the LED lights, and you control it by Bluetooth via app on your phone, so it's pretty easy. And so I decided to put it here, and then just you have cables that go up to the positive and to the positive ground on the battery, and then you ground the negative anywhere you want, basically. So yeah, that's where I put it, closest to the battery on my car, because the battery is on the driver's side, so I decided to do that. And here some cables were really long, so I just folded them and strapped them down here on above this one, and run a cable to the front here, and the cable to the right side, passenger side of the car, goes here. So that's how I did it. So yeah, and the front, I'm gonna show you the front. So I decided to put it here. I grinded this area down because it was full of dirt, as you can see, and cleaned it up as good as I could with some degreaser and then some brake clean, and then I strapped the LED lights to it and put some straps around it all the way through this metal piece right here and under the body kit right there. So seems good. This cable to the front was really long, so I had to fold that one as well. Folded it right here. So yeah, but came out pretty good, I think. Okay, so here's the app on the phone. I'm gonna shut the lights, and I got the car in here. So basically, to start, there's like a million different functions on this app. So you start by sliding this little bar here, like that. Turns on, and as you can see, it's on, I don't know, it's like, I think this is like the start mode, some kind of yellow, but then you just switch it to red, and it's red. And then you got different functions down here. This is like style. So static red we got on, then static blue, and it shifts instantly. Static green, static cyan, and I really like the colors, they're really nice. Static yellow, well, the yellow is kind of not so cool. Purple is pretty nice. Static white. 3 color jumping change. It's pretty funny. Then you got 7 color jumping change. Yeah, it goes through all the colors. 3 colors crossfade. Yeah, you got like a, you know, as you can see, red gradual change. This one's pretty cool. Looks like Knight Rider. And let's see what else we got. Yeah, and it does that with all the colors. That's green, blue. Yeah, you got all these functions. Let's see. Yeah, this is like a strobe. Just turns off and on basically. But then you got music, right? And if you got music playlists on your phone, you just put it on. And let's see if it starts. Looking like an 80s disco. It's pretty funny. Okay, let's take an oldie. It's pretty fun. But I think my favorite is probably, let's see. Yeah, static. Static, of course, it's pretty nice if you're just rolling and the car is just glowing, or looks like it's glowing. And then I like this one. Let's see where we got it. This one, the strobe. No, not the strobe one. Where's the other one? Sorry. Here we got the gradual change. You know, it looks like, yeah, like the Knight Rider or something. Looks pretty cool. So it's really easy to control by the app. And yeah, I haven't, you know, tried it on the street when I'm driving, but I figured, I mean, probably would work. So yeah, but that's it. I just wanted to show that and show y'all, share that with y'all. I'm gonna do a review when I've had it on, you know, had it on for a while, and see how it works on the street, you know, if it holds up. Because this was really cheap, this kit. It was like $40, I think. Bought it on Amazon, like I said. So after I read the reviews, so just wanted to try it out. It looks kind of fun. Hope the camera can pick that up.